Property located on corner, lot of 342 square feet/empty and 1021 square feet of GLA. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living/dining room, kitchen, laundry room, patio and 2 parking spaces. The property is located near main avenues, schools, bakeries, cinema, some minutes from the beach and other points of interest. The seller must comply with the guidelines of HUD 24 CFR 206.125, details and restrictions apply. Please call our offices for more details, thanks. We make co-broke. Lot, 18.342386, length, -65.661211. For more information about the property, contact us at 787-283-7573 and see our alternatives in Fajardo and